Hello everyone, I'm Benitez, Library Assistant at the Seeking Public Library, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an origami star. To begin, we'll need a square of paper. I'll be using a square made from a regular sheet of copy paper. Fold the square in half, then take one of the corners and fold it up to meet the edge, forming a triangle. Open that back up, then fold the other corner across from it, forming another triangle. When you open this up, you should have an X on one end of your rectangle. Next, take the closed folded corner of the other end of your rectangle, line up the corner with the X, and crease it well. Take that same corner and fold it back to line up with the edge you just folded and crease it well. With that done, take the other side of your rectangle and fold the bottom edge up to match up with this last fold that you made and crease that well. Finally, fold both of these triangles back to back so that they line up. Now, we'll take the side that has the three large panels facing the front. Take some scissors and cut along the frontmost edge. When you open the point you have just cut, it should form a pentagon. Folding this next part carefully is crucial to forming your star easily. Take one of the edges and carefully line it up so that the corners meet the two lines leading to the side points of your pentagon. Your middle creases should also line up. Open it up and repeat this step on all four remaining sides of your pentagon. Now, take two of the sides that you've just creased and fold them up to the line you just made. The peak of your pentagon should stick up in a point. Pinch that pentagon point and carefully lay it flat, pointing it towards your left hand or clockwise. Open this up and repeat this step on each of the remaining points, folding them each clockwise. With that done, now we're carefully going to work our way clockwise around the pentagon, pinching and collecting these corners together as we go. As we go, the sides should begin to collapse inward, forming a star. Press this flat and flip it over. You should now have a small pentagon on the back side. Go around the star, taking each point of the pentagon and folding it toward the center and lining it up with the peak. The last peak might take a little extra effort to tuck, but once it's finished, the star will be locked in place and ready for hanging. String them along a piece of twine for a rustic country holiday garland. Thanks for watching. Check out our library's collection of origami books for more paper folding inspiration. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye out on our social media for more activities and crafting tips, tricks, and ideas.